Hey, it's Luke from Arbsession, and today we are going to take a closer look at our very own Arbsession Throw Weights. These weights are sold in 8 ounce, 10 ounce, 12 ounce, 14 ounce, and 16 ounce. Arborists demand products that work hard for them and last, and let's be honest, it helps if your gear looks cool as well. We checked both of those boxes with these Arbsession Throw Weights. They are color-coded by size, and they each have contrasting panels with a trademarked pattern. This helps the throw weights be seen when they work through the canopy. They also feature a lifetime guarantee. Our Arbsession throw weights are made from genuine 1000 denier Cordura fabric with precise stitching, a welded stainless steel ring, and a reinforced top via an internal nylon strap. Arbsession throw weights are so tough, we include a no questions asked lifetime guarantee. If it rips or tears or blows a seam, we will replace it. You can find our Arbsession throw weights and many other great tree care products on arbsession.com. We would be honored to have your support. It is our goal to provide you with the best customer service in the entire tree world.